आज हम करेंगे अष्टांगा सूर्य नमस्कार भी स्टेप बाय स्टेप विद राइट अलाइनमेंट। हिप विड्थ अपार्ट, दोनों फीट में खड़े हो जाएंगे। विद इनहेलेशन रेज योर बोथ हैंड्स अप, स्लाइटली बेंड योर नीज। Exhale, palms down, bend forward. Breathe here. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, press your palms down, take your legs back or jump back. Inhale, Chaturanga Dandasana to Cobra pose. Exhale, tuck your toes, knees off, mountain pose. Breathe here for 5 deep breaths. Inhale, take your right hand between your both palms. Raise your both hands up. Your knee, your right knee and your ankle should be one line. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Veerbhadrasana. Exhale, palms down, send your right leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana to Cobra pose. Exhale, tuck your toes, knees off, mountain pose. Breathe here for 5 deep breaths. Inhale, left leg forward between your both palms. Right toes right side. Both arms up. Hold. Exhale, palms down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Cobra pose. Again, tuck your toes, take your knees off. Exhale, mountain pose. Jump forward. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend forward. Hold for 5 deep breaths. Inhale, raise your both hands up, bend your knees, Utkatasana. Exhale, SAMSTHITI. Namaste.